When I first came to see Dr. Woolf, my knees were in real bad shape, especially my left one. Bone on bone, I really couldn't walk very far at all. I was in a wheelchair most of the time. It affected me in a lot of ways. I really couldn't walk much at all, couldn't stand for any length of time. The right knee wasn't as bad, but when I drove it, there was a point that it was bone on bone, and it really hurt to move from the gas pedal to the brake. I play guitar in the church band, and I had been sitting on a stool for several years. I wasn't able to stand and play, and that's a little disheartening.
We saw Brad and watched him walk, which was remarkable because it was hard to see how he could even get around and function in life as severely as the deformities were in his knees. He has a condition called osteoarthritis. It progresses in some people to where it becomes more and more worn out, and the more worn out the knees become, the more deformed they become, and it's a vicious cycle leading to more and more arthritis. Just due to the severe deformity in both knees, there really wasn't any alternative short of knee replacement surgery.
Well, Dr. Woolf greeted me very friendly, and he said, "You know, you're a pretty bad case." But he said, "I can help you." And he explained to me how the process was. Actually took a little model of what he was going to do and what it would look like in the end. And I really wasn't afraid at all, because he pretty much let me know anything that was going to take place. You know, I trusted him. I didn't have a problem trusting him. I just connected with him right away. And over the period of time, I learned that he was really a good man, not just a good surgeon.
We did a staged procedure because the first knee, which was so severely deformed, would be a long operation. And I felt that it was in his best interest if we do them staged or sequentially as opposed to two at one time.
Life is a lot different now than it was. It's kind of a funny thing. I'm almost 2 inches taller because I had become so bow-legged, and my knees were in such bad shape that when they fixed them, it actually got me back to my height that I should have been. And after the surgery, I was able to stand. My wife literally cried tears when she seen me stand up, because she hadn't seen that for a long, long time.